A latest tool used as automatic cement gap filler is known as mortar gun. Fill the automatic cement gap filler with the prepared cement mortar. Position the nozzle of the gun at the gap between the blocks in the wall. A common method in woodworking and construction projects for joining two pieces of wood is by joining using screws. In this video, I am going to show you how to automatically drive screws in wood pieces with a drill bit. Align and clamp the wood pieces together for getting better connection. A tool used for breaking blocks and rocks with the assistance of power is called a powerhammer. The powerhammer is designed to deliver rapid, repetitive strikes by moving hammer head back and forth, repeatedly striking the material until it breaks. Heat seal is the tool commonly used to join the edges of plastic packets and other packaging materials. Heat sealers use heat to melt the plastic and create a secure, airtight seal along the edges of the packet or bag.